Hey guys, I put this quick video together kind of showing my whole wedding kit, and kind of main thing is how I transport it. I want to show you how easy it is with the Tenba bags, and show you kind of everything I have and all the gear, and show me what you think. If you see something in here that you think I need, let me know, and I'll try to provide links to most of the equipment you see to try to help you out on those wedding days and those corporate shoots. All right. All right, what's going on, y'all? I wanted to go over my setup for weddings and kind of everything I bring, bags, all that good stuff. Maybe can help you guys out. But let's start from the main bag, which is the Tenba Cineluxe. This is the 24-inch version. First of all, I have the C200 over here with the 35 F2 on there. The main benefit of this bag is the height of it. I'm able to fit in the C200 fully assembled, as well as Blackmagic Pocket 6K on an Ronin S. And this has been customized. I have a V-mount battery on here, and of course the focus wheel and the motor as well. Because after using this combination together, I much prefer manual focus. You can be a lot more creative. And you just have a lot more control. I pretty much am doing autofocus 10% of the time. The other 90% I'm fully manual. I just prefer it that way. Not to say that autofocus isn't good. It's just I found it better to do manual focus. So I have, of course, this takes up the whole side. Then I have 85 right here. This 85 is f1.4. I use it for my candid shots a lot, and all that great stuff. And then I have 100mm macro lens right here. And then I have the 70-200 right here. That's mainly my ISO camera on the C200. And I use the 100mm and the 85mm on my pocket 4K and 6K on either the bride or the groom side. And those are the cameras I'm pretty much bringing with me. And I'll show you my other bag with the other two cameras in them. But that's the main compartment. And I have my ND filters in here as well. But that's pretty much it for the main compartment. The best thing about this bag is the doctor bag opening. Open, stays open, closes easily. The zippers are high quality. The zippers are high quality. So I can zip them up really quick, transport it easily. And let me show you what I have in my side pocket and front pocket. So in this main front pocket, let's go over what I have in here. These are the GXT. I have these GXT walkie-talkies, which I use with my second shooter, and I use the earpiece, very invaluable. I have my mics here. I'll show you these. Okay, here I have my Tascam Dr-10x. I have two of these. And then I have a Sennheiser AVX 400 or something like that. I'm not sure. But I have the Sennheiser wireless mic. So I have a total of 3, and that usually covers me. I have another 2 I can use as well, but I keep that in here. And then I have my Peak design strap that I use on the C200, as well as my Ronin S setup. I have the clips on the Ronin S, and I can clip these on there. That way I can rest while I'm holding the Ronin S. And then I have the Essential small rig tool with all of my kind of like hex keys and stuff like that. And then of course I have SD card holder, and as well as CF 2.0 holder, and I use ProGrade. They've been really good. I haven't had any issues. I also got their readers as well as the software to maintain and check the health. So I would definitely recommend that. So I keep those tucked in there, and that's pretty much all I keep in this front pocket. And this is some HDMI cords and some Tentacle Sync stuff. I use the Tentacle Sync time code to sync up all my cameras. That's working out pretty well for me. However, it always seems like I one camera's not plugged in all the way, but overall it's definitely worth it because it saves me time. Get these zippers zipped up. And these are good quality, nice strong zippers. I haven't had any issues with those yet. Now the one thing is you do have to unzip to access these side pockets, but I'll show you what I have in this side pocket right here. All right, let's see what I have in my side pocket. I have batteries for LPE6 as well as some L series batteries, and then I have the Canon BP60. So I keep my batteries in here, and then I keep a pocket charger, pocket 4K and 6K charger in there as well. That's what I keep in my side pocket. And in this pocket, I keep the Soundpre 2 with 32-bit float. I think that's an absolute must to have, that 32-bit float. And then the other thing is I keep a mic for your rehearsal dinners, as well as the smaller elopements and smaller weddings. A lot of times they may not have a DJ, or the DJ, for one example, and the DJ was there, but they were going in the house to cut the cake and the DJ didn't come. So if I didn't have this with me, I would have been stuck with terrible audio, but I had this with me and I was able to tell them to use the mic, even though it didn't obviously connect to the sound system. I was able to get crisp audio. So that's the Tascam Dr-10x. And I have I forget what mic this is. It's really good though. Not a lot of handling noise, but I recommend that as well. I'm running with the Practilite 602. I've been using that for, I don't know, 3 years now. It is definitely great. And then I have this old lens bag, which I put in. I have this V-mount adapter that takes L series batteries, and I plug in the Practilite in the D-tap, and that's how I run that. Now I do have 2 V-mount batteries, so I could use that, but this has been working for 3 years, so I'll just continue to use this. And then I have the cable I need right over there for the Practilite 602. And then of course I have the Aperture 120D Mark II, and I power that using this V-mount that I got on Amazon. This is the BP190. It's only 150 bucks, but it's been working really good and I haven't had any issues. I have two of these, and then the third one's actually on the Ronin S that you saw in my bag. And then here's the 120D Mark II, and then I have the Fresnel attachment, Bowens mount attachment right here. And that's pretty much my setup for my lighting. And just to let you know, what I'll typically do, guys, is I'll get there. If the reception is at a different location, I'll get there and set up my lights and just leave them there, because that's one less thing I have to do later on. So that's what I'll do in reference to lighting, because it does seem like a lot of stuff to carry. All right, guys, in the Porta-Brace bag, I'm keeping the Pocket 4K. With a battery attachment right here, as well as, you know, my Tentacle Sync, which I highly recommend. And I got the port keys, LH or LN5H or something like that. But I keep this fully assembled. And that's the theme here, guys. Everything is fully assembled, ready to go. I don't have to do a whole lot to get ready. I can just pull it out the bag. And then I keep the EOS R, which I'm filming with, right in this slot, okay? And everything is ready to go, fully assembled. All right. So in this side bag, I have, some headphones over the ear. And then I got a cable in here and some batteries. I just keep random stuff. So that's pretty much my setup, besides my support equipment, tripods and stuff like that. Also in here, I keep this umbrella for my camera. It's got a, you can see it, it's like a little umbrella. It's got a cold shoe attachment right here. or a hot shoe attachment, and you can just put it right on top of the camera. That way it still gives you access to the controls, but protects, you know, from rain and all that good stuff. So that's what I'm using for kind of rain scenarios. All right. I have 2 of those, and then I have a cover for my C200. I think that's it.